Welcome to 3728 East Clark Road in Bath. This home sits on 1 acre and is close to Lansing area with close access to 69 and 127 for commuting. There's a 24 by 30 detached garage that offers great storage. As you enter the home, you are welcomed into a spacious room that is 26 feet long and almost 14 feet wide. The space is used as a formal dining room, but could easily be a combined living and dining space. The kitchen is good sized, offering great countertop space, pantry, and nice storage. The upper level features the living room with hardwood floors and a wood-burning fireplace. The main bedroom has 2 extra large closets for maximum storage, and the additional 2 bedrooms both feature hardwood floors. There's a full bath on the upper level close to the bedrooms, plus a half bath on the main level. Updates in the last 15 years, including vinyl windows and siding, furnace and air with a heat pump, a tankless water heater, and a new metal shake-style roof on the house and garage in 2021. Not to mention a newer concrete patio, low-maintenance composite decking off the main bedroom, and more. The home is well insulated and has low heating costs. My name is Barb Roll-Wyzga with Keller Williams First. Please feel free to call or text me at 517-712-8009 for more information or to schedule a time to see this wonderful home.